Hi, and welcome to Planet Daryl. If you're just starting out on YouTube, one of the most important things you will need is a good camera. But with so many options out there today, it can be quite overwhelming to figure out which one is the best for you. That's why we put together this video to help you find the perfect camera for your needs and budget. First, let's talk about the different types of cameras you can use for YouTube. There are four main categories, which are DSLR, mirrorless, point and shoot or action cameras, which has come a long way, and mobile phones. DSLR cameras are the most popular choice among YouTubers because they offer excellent image quality, interchangeable lens, and manual controls. They are also very versatile, so you can use them for a wide range of content, especially they are superb in low light. Mirrorless cameras, on the other hand, are similar to DSLRs, but they use a different kind of image sensor and don't have a mirror inside. They're generally smaller and lighter than DSLRs, which is great if you're moving about, and they can be a good choice if you want something more portable. Now, point and shoot cameras or action cameras are the most basic options, and they are small and easy to use, but they generally don't offer the same level of image quality or control as DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, especially once again in low light. Now that you have an idea of different type of cameras available, let's talk about some specific models that are great for starting a YouTube channel. For DSLRs, which are quite expensive, I would recommend the new Panasonic S5 II or the Nikon D7500. Both of these cameras are superb image quality, a wide range of manual controls, and built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing of your videos. Now, if you're interested in mirrorless cameras, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III or the Sony ZV-E10 are great choices. They are both compact, lightweight, full of features, and offer excellent image quality, stabilization, and they also offer a huge range of features as well. And if you're on a budget, the Sony ZV-1F, which is quite a recent camera from Sony, or the for a point and shoot options, or the GoPro Hero 11 and DJI Action 3 can be great options as well, especially if you need to be portable. You can even consider the Insta360 X3 if you're shooting outdoors most of the time or traveling content in bright sunlight. Last but not least, as the saying goes, the best camera is the ones that's with you all the time, and what can be better than an iPhone or a flagship Android phone that's in your pocket. And you can edit and publish the video right on your phone itself, so that's a great convenient option. But since it's an all-in-one device, it can be quite distracting to use as your primary video camera. So no matter which camera you choose, at the end of the day, the most important thing is to find one that fits your needs, usage, and budget. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want further recommendations, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Do subscribe to the channel for future content just like this one, and have a splendid day ahead, everyone.